Hello to everyone that's out there. Happy Friday, TGIF. I hope everyone is enjoying their day or their evening. And I just, of course, want to tune in live to see how everybody's doing today. I hope everyone is healthy, happy, and staying focused on their business. Yes, no one left behind. I have a very special announcement to make. And the reason why I'm doing this is there's a lot of moms and dads at home right now. Everyone's stuck in the house. And I just want to inspire someone today. And not only that, help someone to jumpstart their business. So I do have a special that's going to be going on only until the end of this month. So it'll be for the rest of March. And hey, Christopher, if everybody can just let me know where you're tuning in from. I am going to open up. Yep, I still got packages. I ran to the post office, so I have some packages to open. We do have some people that started with us, so I'm going to go ahead and announce these folks. And after that, I'm going to tell you about the bonuses that I have that I've never done before. This will be the first time for this type of bonus, but I decided to do this to help people within their business, within their direct mail business, so that they can take it to the next level. But not only that, give people everything that they need in order to get started. So we have one payment that came in from California, and this person signed up at the Ruby level. So I got a payment of $150. So there's $150 and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much. This is from Robin. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Hey, Florence. Hey, Monica. Hey, Christopher. Hey, Judith. No, this cannot be done in Jamaica. This is for US and Canada only. US and Canada only. Hey, Melissa. Hey, Kelly. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Alicia. I have another packet that came in from South Carolina. Let's see what we have here. And this is a direct mail opportunity. I've been doing direct mail since 2016, earning a full-time income and showing others how to do the same. Someone introduced this opportunity, direct mail, to me back in 2016, and I've been doing it ever since because I love it, and I think it's a really easy and great way to make a full-time income from home. So I have another payment that came in from Gloria. She joined at the Ruby level, and I received 2 books of stamps. Okay, and a total of $50 in cash. Guys, when you start to get your payments in, you can get paid either cash, money order, or cashier's check. So those are the ways that you can get paid. And not only that, people should be sending your payment through priority mail so they can track it and you can track it and you know when your payment is coming in and there's no mishaps. So most of my payments come in through priority mail. And I do have a P.O. box where I go to pick up my payments. And I tell people all the time, P.O. box, whether or not you're going to do it is your personal preference. It's really up to you. This payment came in from Arkansas. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Hey, Ed. Hey, Erica. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Hillary. Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope everyone is enjoying their Friday. So we have a payment here from Barbara, who came in at the lowest level. She signed up under someone else. I received a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much, Barbara. Glad to have you a part of the team. We have another envelope came in from South Carolina. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to open these up. Guys, I know that there's a lot of stuff going on right now, and a lot of people probably feel fearful or not focused, but at the end of the day, if you have children, you have a family, you have people that still look up to you and need your support, you need to stay focused and you need to keep pushing forward. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is from Shakira. She came in at the lowest level. I received a $20 payment and no book of stamps. She did not include the stamps, but she did include the payment. And then last but not least, I have a payment from North Carolina from Mr. Winslow. Gonna go ahead and open that up. For the Ruby level, yes, you do get bumped up to the next level. If you come in at the Ruby level, you'll be automatically bumped up to the Sapphire, where you're allowed to collect unlimited $300 payouts at that level. So yep, Ruby is bumped up to Sapphire, Sapphire bumped up to Diamond, and Diamond is going to be bumped up to Double Diamond. And that's what we have right now. That's coming in from the company. Okay, so I have another payment that came in. This is from Mr. Winslow, came in at the Sapphire level, and that's a $300 payment and 2 books of stamps. So here's $300, 2 books of stamps, and this is from Mr. Winslow. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Yep, so those are all of my new signups over the last couple of days, not including the electronic payments that I received. You can get paid electronically. Hey, Shay. Hey, Jasmine. I'm doing well. Hanging in there. Getting used to doing this homeschooling. But it's not too bad. Seeing that they have everything kind of mapped out for you online. But it is something different. I'm used to dropping the kids off to school every day. So right now what we have is with the Impact Mailing Club, you do receive the stamps along with the payments. Okay, so here's the stamps and the payments that we have that came in. This is a great time, guys. We have a lot of people who are currently looking for a home-based business opportunity, a direct mail opportunity. People want to work from home. People are laid off right now, or they're looking for additional ways to make money. And this is one of the best ways that I know of to start earning quickly, but not only that, consistently, as long as you stay focused and you follow the training that we provide to you when you're getting started. Do not cheat yourself. Make sure you have your website. Make sure you have your capture page. You know, people love to look up information, especially if they get a postcard from home. Most of the time, go to the website to look up the company. So right here we have 400, 20, 40, 60, 80. So this is like $550. Not bad for a couple days. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books of stamps. So what I'm going to do is for everyone that joins at the Ruby level or higher, that joins me directly with Impact Mailing Club, you're going to receive stamps with your sign up. So everyone that comes in at the Ruby level or higher is going to get stamps. And what we're going to do is, if you come in at the Ruby level, you're going to get a total of, let's see, because you have to send in 2 books of stamps. You're going to get 4 books at the Ruby level. At the Sapphire level, you're going to get 6 books. And then at the Diamond level, you're going to get 10 books of stamps. If you come in at the Double Diamond, I'm going to send you out 20 books of stamps. Not only that, with the stamps, you're going to also receive a calendar with my blueprint that shows you exactly what you need to do when you get started with this business. It allows you to pick out the different traffic sources that you can use when marketing this opportunity, whether you're doing it online or offline. You're going to get that as well. And then at the Sapphire level or higher, you're going to also receive 100 customized flyers. So I'm going to customize your flyer and I'm going to send that in the mail. Everybody's going to get 100 of those. So you'll have everything that you need to get started. You'll have your stamps. You will also have your flyer. Your order form comes from the company, and then you'll have your marketing materials. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's going to be until the end of March. So take advantage. We have another week here. You know, it's just a great time to get involved. A lot of people have free time, and they're looking for something to do. So we are still in our peak season, guys. Don't forget that. And there's a lot of people that's looking for a home-based business opportunity. So again, guys, payments did over $500. Stamps are included when people pay you. So that really reduces the amount of money that you have to spend on stamps. And I am going to, if I'm your sponsor, I'll make sure to get you everything that you need to get started. The only thing that's not going to come in your package is going to be the website, but please reach out to me for the website and I'll make sure to get you set up on that. So that's what we have going on for the rest of the month. And I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay inspired, okay? Stay positive. Even though we have some trying times, everyone needs to stay positive, because at the end of the day, there's a lot of people that are dying. There's a lot of people that did not make it to see another day, and we are still here. As long as you have breath, as long as you have life, you should keep moving forward, okay? This is a time, this is the best time to make a difference. People have a lot of time to think about what they want to do, about the decisions that they want to make, about the money that they want to make. And this is the best time to do that. So what I want everyone to do is stay inspired, stay safe, stay blessed. I'm here for you guys. Reach out to me if you need any information. If you need websites for your business as well, also reach out to me because I can help you with that. So thanks so much, guys. TGIF, enjoy your weekend, and I'll be back with you next week with another video. So thanks so much and have a great night. Hey, Linda, thanks for tuning in. Anthony, Ann, Kimberly, Sharia, thanks for tuning in. Michael, thanks so much, guys. Love you guys. Talk to you later.